Hey there, word wizards. Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we're diving into the world of emojis for a game of Guess the Word by Emoji. We've got 15 mind-bending puzzles to test your emoji guessing skills and keep you guessing to the very end. Ready to go? Hit that subscribe button, put on your thinking cap, and let's see what you're made of. Let's kick it off with an easy one. What word do you think this emoji combo means? It's as graceful as it is fluttery. Butterfly, great start. Here's a sweet one. Take a guess at what these emojis are hinting at. Ice cream, you're on fire. Got your detective hat on? What word are these emojis trying to spell out? Death Note, you nailed it. Ready for some winter vibes? Solve the emoji puzzle. Snowman, you're on a roll. Ready for a cozy one? This emoji combo is gonna warm you up. Hot chocolate. Keep it going. How about something super heroic? What's this one hinting at? Spider-Man, great job. Vroom, vroom. Can you guess this one with some serious speed? Race car, unstoppable. Fancy a geography challenge? This emoji combo is a country. Iran, you crushed it. Here's one with wings and a halo. What's the word? Angel cake, you're on fire. Ever climbed one of these? What's the word? Pear tree, awesome guess. Ready to dive into a bookish word? Take a look. Bookworm, keep up the great work. Use those smarts and guess this bird-related word. Birdhouse, great spot. Fire up those brains. Guess this emoji combo. Fire alarm, spot on. Little spooky, little stylish. What's this emoji word? Scarecrow, nailed it. Last one, fancy a fashion runway. What's the word? Runway, nice work. Thanks for playing along today. Drop your score in the comments and let us know how you did. If you loved this quiz, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our fun, new challenges. Hope you had a blast. and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, Quiz Masters.